Welcome! Do you know what the most effective steps to take for a successful instructional design in e-learning are? Let's learn today. Step 1. Conduct a needs analysis that helps identify and assess the gap between current state and desired state of knowledge or skills. Step 2. Frame simple, clear and precise learning objectives that describe what learners will be able to accomplish after completing the course. Step 3. Prepare a storyboard that represents the structure, content, graphics, and interactivities of the e-learning course. Step 4. Develop a prototype of the e-learning course to test the visual elements, interactivities, and LMS compatibility. Step 5. Design the entire course using instructional design strategies and multimedia after receiving the approval of the prototype. As we wrap up, keep in mind these steps for the next time you develop an e-learning course, and prepare to amaze your learners. If you are not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe icon right now so you don't miss anything in the future. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon with another insightful video.